forgive him,
Just
sir.
get
Please,
out.
he didn't mean
You
it.
ruined my
Please, think about it.
reputation. You're a disgrace.
Please forgive him,
I spent
sir.
all that money on your trip just so you could present me with that garbage.
Hang on, sir. Let me explain myself.
I don't need your explanation. Because of your carelessness, we lost a deal worth billions of Tomans. They've all gone and left. How are you going to explain that?
I'll make it up to you.
I don't want you to make it up to me. Go right now. Don't let me see you around here until you come back with the documents. You got that? You got that? Mr. Safar,
Yes,
from
sir.
now on, you'll be the senior engineer of this company.
But I don't even have a high school diploma, sir.
I don't care. I don't care about diplomas. Do as I say. And cancel all international airline tickets that you booked for him and purchase them for yourself instead.
Mr. Fakir,
Please give him
please
another
Ruin my
forgive him. Make justice
reputation.
for his
What are you
swear. Not
saying?
time in
What are you
Safar.
saying? Whoever wishes to defend Hamid can follow him out of this company. This way out. Where are you going? Why are you standing there? This way, sir. You know where your office is. Go. And don't come back here ever again. You go around playing with my reputation, do you? You know what? You bring me to your Nana's birthday video now. You waste time fiddling around with your hair instead of getting on with your job. Idiot.
I'll skin you alive.
Goodness, what is wrong with you?
We're dead meat, man.
How come?
Ladon and the dad are coming
What's
here.
going on? Who's
How did you find
chasing
out they're here?
What was I supposed to do? They were going to our house, so I told them we were staying here.
I went to Dad's office today. No one's heard from him.
Forget about that for now.
What is it? What's happening?
Nothing. He's saying Ladan and her dad are
Oh,
coming
no.
here.
Why are they coming here?
Don't waste time. Get me a towel. Hurry, hurry now. Get
Why
me a
do you
towel.
want a towel?
Stop asking
Go, go.
questions.
Hurry,
Get me
hurry.
a towel.
What should
Mom,
I do?
Just don't goof up. You too, Grandma.
Why
Katie.
should
Just
we
remember
goof
to...
up? Leave everything to me, I'll sort them out.
Come, go.
Here they are.
Go,
Here
go,
they
go,
are.
go.
Here they are.
How embarrassing.
Oh, you're killing me as usual.
Who is it?
Hello there.
Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
Kamran.
Hello.
Nice
Nice
to
to
see
see
you
you.
here.
Nice to see you again.
How are you, Cameron?
Welcome.
I'm fine, thank you. Sorry
Lovely
if we
to
came
see
at a
you.
bad
No,
time.
no, you're very welcome.
Hello. How are you?
Thank you.
Oh, I hope you're not
noise?
busy.
There's a sheep in our car.
Lovely to see you
Thank
too.
you very much.
No.
Hey, Alba.
What?
Look what your son's father-in-law's done for you.
What is
He's
it?
going to sacrifice a lamb.
No.
Oh, you
Thanks
didn't have
so
to do
much.
that,
It's nothing.
Cameron. Why all the trouble? Thank you so
it's
much. I
nothing.
don't know what to
Have
No,
say.
no, no. If you'll just
Excuse
let me... allow
Thank
me...
you
Thank you
so
so
much.
You shouldn't have.
Kezzy.
Oh, Sarah!
Yes,
Look, it's
yes
so
it
cute.
is.
Oh.
You're welcome.
Why is
Thank
it so
you.
small?
It's 90
Let him
kilos.
out,
You
let
call
him
that
out.
small?
It looks so
It's
small.
a sheep. We're
Well,
talking about
well.
a sheep. That's pretty big.
Hello,
for a
Daniel.
sheep.
Yeah.
Did you just take a shower? How long have you had it for? Well, cover your head then. Cover your head. You might catch a cold. Daniel, how did you take a shower? It's completely dry in there.
You know how I am. I took a shower with just 1 cup of water.
You took a shower with just 1 cup of water.
I sure did.
Cover up, cover up. We wouldn't want you to catch a cold now.
Oh, here we are. This is for my darling
thank you,
daughter-in-law.
Hava. Thank you.
You're
You
welcome.
shouldn't have.
You're welcome.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Open it, darling.
Oh,
Tell
it's
me whether you like
lovely.
it or not.
No problem. Oh.
Is that Spider-Man?
Are you telling me humans actually wear this?
It's really pretty and it's good for formal occasions. They're in fashion now.
Why did you bring a spider
Well,
for
tell
her?
me, what's wrong with it?
Sorry, Ladan. It's Sarah's taste. She picked it out. I'm
That's
sorry.
okay. You're serious. It's obvious it's Sarah's taste. Sarah, I'll make it up to you. Thank you very much.
If you don't like it, give it to me. I'll wear it to weddings. I've already got Superman and I've got Batman too.
No, I'm going to keep it somewhere as a keepsake so I can make it up to Sarah later on, you see.
Ah, forget about that. Where's that handsome Ardeshir?
Who?
Ardeshir, your husband. Is he not here?
Ardeshir. Oh, he went to work just before you arrived.
What's going to happen to the workers then?
Workers? What workers?
I'm talking about the ones who went to fix your plumbing system, remember?
Oh, the pipes. What's going to happen, Daniel?
What?
The plumber.
The pipes.
Oh, well, they eventually decided to pull out the pipes.
Get up.
Yes,
Get
they'll
up,
pull them
Daniel.
out.
We shouldn't waste any more time. Get up, son. We have to
Where,
go.
where?
Come on.
Where to?
Workers do nothing but lay around when there's no one to supervise them. You see it all the time.
There's no need for you to go, Kamran. Daniel will go check on them both.
They need to see someone with a big build. If we send a kid over, they'll take 20 days to finish a day's job.
Why are you upsetting yourself over nothing, Kamran? Who cares whether they take a day or a month to finish it? They might even take a year to finish it. Just leave them alone.
I'm worried because you're spending money on this. Money doesn't grow on trees, you know.
Hang on, Kamran. Maybe you want to help create jobs for a few young people. Don't stand in their way. Let them work and earn some money, you know.
Well done. That's exactly what my dad always says. He says, why not let a few workers eat a bit from our table? There's nothing wrong with that, is there?
Did your dad say that?
Yes.
He wants them to eat from his table?
Yes.
That's great. All right, it's none of our business. You know what to do.
All your belongings get wet, Ava.
The whole
It should be obvious, Ladan, that when water engulfs the whole place, everything gets wet.
Reminding me.
2 days. I went away for just 2 days. My whole life got ruined by water.
Oh, dear.
You seem very
Why are you
sleepy.
standing there?
All
Let's
right,
go sit
thank
down.
you,
Come on.
thank you.
Come on.
What for? Say what you have to say here.
Sit down.
What are you
Sit down.
doing? Where are you going?
Oh, it's not nice to stand and talk.
Go ahead.
Mother?
Oh, Lilan, where did your dad go?
He'll come back.
You know,
He'll be back soon, Ava.
Your dad is way more concerned about our pipes than
Yes,
mine.
he worries a lot.
right.
you
Just
see.
tell me here.
I want to tell you
Okay.
something. We have to go somewhere quiet with no one there.
Somewhere quiet? What are you
Come
talking
on,
about?
come on.
Hey, hey.
Look
I'm not going
here.
in there. Tell me here.
Here. Come here.
What difference does it make? Tell me here. Kezzy, what do you want to say? Oh, dear. All right, Kezzy, go ahead.
I've always been told that you don't get anywhere by lying.
Okay.
I'm not like them. My whole body shivers whenever I lie.
Good for you. Don't lie.
Tell
Now,
your
what's your
sheep
point?
to bar so they won't hear us.
It won't listen to me. Anyway, why should it bar?
Now listen, I don't want them to hear me.
They won't hear you. Just tell
Listen
me.
up. Ardeshir's gone missing. Don't tell anyone. If you tell anyone, I will kill you. Yesterday.
Yesterday? He's missing?
It was nice seeing
Say
you.
hi to Ardeshir for me.
Goodbye.
Drop by
Take
again,
care.
Cameron.
Thank you.
Take care.
Goodbye.
You want to go for a walk?
Nice
I want to go to
seeing
my
you,
friend's
Ladan.
house.
Bye.
See you.
In the name of God, why are you all staring at me?
You're pretty. We want to look at you.
Just don't snitch my pockets. I don't need you to tell me I'm pretty. Move over.
Wait a minute.
Move over.
Grandma Kersey.
Mum, what did you tell
did you
him?
We
say
told you
now?
not to tell anyone. You went straight ahead and told him.
Relax. Relax. Just relax. He's a smart guy. I didn't tell him anything.
And you never lie.
That's right, girlie. I didn't tell him anything.
Look who
Oh,
we counted
really?
on.
What an embarrassment, really.
There's no doubt, she told him. There's no doubt.
Are you busy right now?
No, how come?
Can you come with me so we can look for Dad together?
In search of your father. Let me go wash my face first.
Thank you.
May God bless your father.
May God bless your mother.
She totally embarrassed us. What am I going to do with her?
Wow, wow, wow. What cheats. What a bunch of liars. What a bunch of thieves. Did you see how they nicked that sheep off me? And there you have Kezzy telling us that Ardeshir's gone missing. Who cares if he's gone missing? You know what that means? It means, Kamran, your 50 million's gone down the drain. Woot woot.
I just don't think I can deal with that family anymore, Daddy.
I don't blame you. Don't worry, though. I'll get my 50 million Tomans back from them.
All you care about is your money, Father. What about me, your daughter?
I've thought about that as well. Once I've got the 50 million in cash right here in my pocket, I'll help you break up. I promise.
Break up? Who said anything about breaking
You'll
up, Dad?
break up with him, and that's final.
Well, you go and get your money first, Dad, and then we'll decide about breaking up, all right?
You want me to get the money first?
Yes, go and get your money first.
So you agree with me then?
Yes, go get your money first.
Listen, I've been watching them for a while now. Their behavior could mean either one of two things. One, they're looking to deceive Kamran so they can rip him off. Or two, they're really in some sort of trouble and they're trying not to show it. You understand?
I wonder what happened to Daniel's car. Did you see the pile of junk he was driving around today?
Yeah, I'll get to the bottom of that as well. But right now, we need to go and look for another sheep. Where will you get off?
I'll get off here. Just drop me off anywhere you can, Dad. I'm running late already.
Hang on, watch out for the car behind us.
All right, be careful. Hello, Danielle? Look, I've changed my mind. I want to talk to you, please. I'll meet you in an hour at the park near your house. Goodbye.
Rest assured, when Sadri tells you not to worry, you should not worry, okay? Do you understand?
So, Mr. Sadri, are you then sure that Mr. Shamshiri will be coming back here?
Yes, definitely. There's no doubt about it, Mr. Futuri. I've got an idea. How about we hold a meeting once Mr. Shamiri comes back and you can sort out your concerns with him then? What do you say? And besides, this isn't really as big a deal as you make it out to be. Things like this happen to the best of us. There have been times when I've gone away for, say, 10 days without telling anyone.
What about me?
Have you gone anywhere without telling anyone?
No, sir, I haven't.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
You have?
No, I haven't.
Well, you're an exception. How about you? It's happened to you, hasn't it, huh?
No, sir, it hasn't.
What about you?
No, sir, it hasn't.
What about you? No, not you, ma'am. Well, I have to ask you all a favour. Please don't tell my wife anything. You know how my wife is. She's a strange human being. She's always making a big deal out of everything. She's a natural expert at causing chaos, which can never be fixed. She comes from one of those families that, you know...
Hello, Miss Musavi.
Hello.
Very, very dignified. We were just talking about you. I was just talking about your parents. You know, her parents are...
If you don't want me to make a big deal and cause chaos, tell me right here now what's going on, all right?
You may leave now. You can go now, gentlemen. How many times...
Let's go, let's go.
Not to worry about a thing.
We'll be waiting for your call then.
Okay?
We're waiting
sure.
for you.
Yeah, I'll see you.
We're waiting
Please
for you.
close the door behind you. Why did you raise your voice in front of those people?
I asked you what's going on.
There's nothing going on. There was a word going around that Mr. Shamshiri's disappeared. But it's all just a rumour. That's all it was.
Well, people don't talk for nothing. Why won't you tell me the truth? Where's Shamshiri, huh?
Listen here, Mashid. Stop raising your voice and telling me what to do, because I've already given you your bridal money, and I'll soon sort out what I need to do with you. I told you before. I'll tell you again that Mr. Shamshiri will be returning very, very soon, so you better go and get on with your life.
Hello there.
Well, hello. Why didn't you come here with your own car?
My own car? One of my friends is getting married, so I lent my car to him for his wedding. So I'm stuck without a car for the next 2 or 3 days. That's all.
Daniel, tell me the truth. Have you ever lied to me?
Of course I haven't.
Swear that you haven't.
But Ladan, don't you trust me?
No, Daniel. I just keep thinking that you're hiding something back from me, like you're not telling me something.
Well, yeah, of course I am. I'm hiding something special from you.
Stop fooling around. Tell me what it is.
Promise you won't tell anyone.
Come on,
I'll
just
put
tell
pepper
me.
in your mouth if you tell anyone. Okay, close your eyes. Now follow the arrow.
What is
Hope
it?
you like it.
Is that for me?
No, it's for me. Of course it's for you.
Is it gold?
No, but it's gold-plated. It's got a nice design, doesn't it?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Daniel, you have to come to my house. My dad wants to talk to your dad.
About what exactly?
About the wedding ceremony and things like that.
Look, my dad's a bit busy right now. We'll arrange a meeting sometime later on. He can't come at the moment.
Well, weren't you supposed to go and help your dad with his business? What happened to that, Daniel?
I'm actually working there now.
How come I never see you go there then?
Right now, I'm currently responsible for determining the colour of tea at Dad's company. No, I'm just kidding. Listen, I'll be in charge of the company's sales department by the end of this month. Stop pestering me so much. Hello?
Listen, if you think you can get away with this, you've got it wrong, pal.
What?
Listen up. You either hand over those designs and plans of mine, or I'll lose my job. And that's when I'll come for you, you understand?
Hey, pal. Gulliver's got your map. I think you've called the wrong person.
Stop pretending you don't know. I know you were behind it all, you thief.
Yeah, bro. I'm a crook. I'm a thief. I'm a drug dealer.
Listen, I won't leave you alone until you bring me those plans.
Jerk.
What? Hang on. Ladan!
Hello?
Hey, Ladan, where you going?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
How's it going? Good, thank you. Are you Mr. Shamshiri?
My name's Nada Jum. How can I help you?
Tell him to come outside, please.
I'm Ardeshir. What can I do for you?
Are you Ardeshir Shamshiri?
Officer, I swear on my son's life that I bought this house 2 weeks ago from this guy, and ever since then, there's always someone coming here on a daily basis saying whatever they want to us. And I honestly don't mean you, sir. I'm actually talking about the others, you know.
You have to come with us to the station to answer a few questions.
The police station? What for, officer?
You'll find out when you get there.
But I've done nothing.
You'll find out when you get there.
What's happening, Nada? What's going on up there? What's happening, Nada? Where are you going?
They're taking me to the police station. Come there, okay?
What's going on, Nada?
Captain, sir, I already told you that I don't know who that car belongs to. I don't know where this Ardeshir Shamshiri is.
Do you expect me to believe that you don't know anything about the smuggled drugs?
I swear on your life.
Swear on your own life.
All right, I swear on my own life. I swear on my child's life. I've never even set eyes on those filthy things, let alone smuggle them.
So you shouldn't have any problem then if we run some tests.
But what for, Captain? I'm totally clean.
No, you can't. I need to go in.
That's my wife, Captain.
Hello,
Ask
sir.
her.
You can go.
I've come here to make a confession.
About what?
Hang on, I'll tell you
There's
in a minute.
no need for you to confess anything. Captain, you know how women make a big deal out of everything. I only smoke a little bit
Hey,
of...
that's not what I wanted to tell him about.
What did you want to say then?
Listen, Captain. I know who owns that backpack full of drugs.
Oh, really?
Yes. I was coming back from my shopping trip this morning when I saw Ardeshir Shamshiri's son exchanging backpacks with one of his friends. There must have been some sort of drug inside the backpack.
Do you know him?
Well, to be honest, I don't know their names, but I'd be able to recognize them if I see them. The boy and his mother and sister were looking for his father last night, and judging by their appearance, they totally looked like a bunch of hooligans to me.
Have you got their address or telephone number?
Well...
Hold on, Captain. I've got the address. I mean the telephone number. You know the friend that was exchanging backpacks with him. I've got his phone number.
Write it down.
Write it.
I don't mind giving you his number, sir. But don't go around telling anybody, otherwise they'll say the doctor is a traitor.
Are you a doctor?
Yes.
You don't look like one, though.
How are doctors supposed to look? Want the number?
Yes, write it down for me.
Write it.
Really? Are you serious? Okay. What? What? Oh, what guess? I'm home alone. Eggs as usual. I'm not a good cook like you. Hang on. Just hang on. Someone just rang the doorbell. Hold on a minute. No, it's nothing. I'll call you back later. Oh. Yes. I knocked over some dishes. Yeah. Well, goodbye, huh? Goodbye. See you later. Well. Look who's here. What a surprise. You should have told me you were coming. I rolled out the red carpet for
Aren't you going to offer me a seat?
Please, sit down.
Very good. Your place is looking much neater and tidier, huh? Well done, really, well done.
Of course. What do you expect? Did you think I'd mess up the whole place when I'm alone here? As you can see, everything is in perfect order. Coffee or cappuccino?
Cappuccino, as always. You want to look under the table? You might find it under all that clutter.
Get out. Why'd you come here? We haven't got coffee or cappuccino. Now, get straight to the point. Why are you here?
Doesn't it seem strange to you that Ardeshir's gone missing?
So what if it's strange? So what?
Nothing. I just want you to think about the circumstances we're in. Now that Ardeshir's vanished, there'll be chaos at the company. We'll lose everything if we don't act smart. I want you to help me change things around a bit.
Stop telling me stories, Mashid. Get to the point. What are you trying to say? What is it?
I'm
Come
trying
on,
to
tell
say
me.
that we have to play it safe. I can't risk waiting around to hear news about Ardeshir. You understand that, don't you, huh? I want to ask the stockholders to pick a new CEO. You do understand that, really?
Who? Yourself?
Well, why not? I've got a good grasp of what's happening in the company, have I not?
Rashid, you've got good confidence, but you need to remember that Ardeshir and I are partners. If you're going to choose a CEO, it should be me.
Are you done talking? Think about it and let me know.
Sit down. If you want me to do that, there's just one condition.
What kind of condition?
Just give me back the money you took from me. Can you do that?
Dream on, pal. If you accept my offer, you'll be the one who benefits from it the most. If the stockholders believe what I tell them, you're the one that's going to suffer.
Get out.
Taraj, let's put aside our differences. Accept my offer.
Get
Please
out.
do. Don't be a fool, you idiot. Now that Ardeshir's gone, we can really become successful.
3 years ago, I made the biggest mistake of my life, Machine. Do you remember? You told me you wanted to be my lifelong partner. Now get out.
Oh, you disgust me.
And don't you pollute the streets.
Uncle Ahmed, get up. Lunch is ready.
Go away, I'm not in the mood.
Stop thinking about it, Uncle Ahmed. You'll find it eventually. Hello? Hi. Where are you calling from? The police station. You're in trouble.
Hello? Yeah, hi, this is Ahmed. What's happened? Sure, I'll be there soon.
Don't worry, Uncle. I won't tell anyone anything.
Go away.
Is something wrong?
No, it's nothing.
Where are you off to? You haven't eaten your food yet. Where are you going, darling?
It's nothing. I just have to go down the street. I'll be back soon.
He's lying, Grandma. He's going to the police station.
Hey, be quiet, Big
The
Mouth.
police station?
Wait.
Tell me what for?
I don't know. They just called me and told me to go there for a minute. They just
Hang
told me
on.
to go there and answer some questions. That's all, okay?
Did you commit a crime?
No, Mum, I swear I haven't. Have I ever done anything illegal?
No.
All right, I'm coming with you. You can't go there alone.
I can't bear to stay at home either. I'm coming with you.
I'm coming too. I can't bear it either.
Hey, Mum, are the Haydaris home right now?
How come?
How about we tell them to come as well and we can all have fun together at the police station? I'm not going on a picnic, you know. I'll be back soon. If anything happens, I'll call you. Goodbye.
Don't you need a man to accompany you?
No thanks, Abbas. It's better if you stay at home.
What's going on?
Who is it?
Hi, Kamran, it's me, Daniel.
Come in.
Ladan?
She's gone out.
Ladan! Come on, man.
When I say she's out, she's out.
How much does a live sheep cost these days, Kamran?
I don't know.
It seems the price has gone up, hasn't it?
I don't know.
I was reading an article on the internet the other day. It said China has made a cloned Chinese sheep from an Australian sheep. Did you hear about that?
You shouldn't have heard it. I didn't.
It's really interesting, you know. They say their sheep are very productive. They eat plastic and produce full-fat milk. And if you really shake them around, you can even get butter and yogurt out of them. Plus, every morning they produce cream cheese for you, you know? No, I just wanted to change the mood here. I came here to clean up my apartment a bit. It's gotten pretty messy, you know? It's just, yeah, it's a little...
You'd love to go down there, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I should go move things while it's still daytime. Otherwise, the noise will bother the neighbours at night, you know?
What are you going to move now?
Tables, chairs, boxes, and whatever else. But it's not fun doing it on your own. It's better to do it, you know, as a group, so you don't get bored.
Fun when you're all together, eh?
Of course. That way you can joke around and laugh, and you won't even notice the time go by.
There's the phone. Call your friends and tell them to come.
No, it's not too much. I'll handle it by myself.
So there's no need for me to
No
worry?
need for you to worry.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure.
Do you think you'll need one of these?
No, I've got one downstairs.
You've got one downstairs. Do you know how to get outside?
What? Thank you very much, Kamran. I didn't say anything bad. What did I say?
Thank you very much. Here you are.
Thanks.
Hey, Captain. Look at him. That's him. He's the guy. He's the guy who received the drugs. He's the one. He's coming inside. He's coming. He's coming. Come on in. Captain, he's the guy who received the drugs. Look at him. He totally looks like a hooligan. Just look at him. Just look at him. Captain, look. If I were you, sir, I'd handcuff him right here and now.
Sit down. Leave him alone. He came here himself.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Can you please tell me what's going on?
These two people claim that they have seen you exchanging drugs.
Drugs? What kind of drugs?
And what kind is that? You mean the illegal kind?
Illegal drugs?
Yes, the illegal drugs.
Hey, aren't you the guy I saw making a big racket at his home last night?
That's right. I would have handed you over last night if I knew what you were doing.
Give me a break. Stop talking
You're the one
nonsense.
talking nonsense.
Hang on a minute,
Captain,
please.
do I look like a drug dealer to you?
Do I look like a drug dealer, Captain?
Didn't I tell you to be quiet? So what's the story about exchanging backpacks then?
Okay, I get you now. Yeah, I exchanged this backpack with someone else's last night.
Look, he confessed, Captain. You can handcuff him now.
Go away! What confession?
You just made a confession.
My backpack here got mixed up with someone else's backpack at the airport. I searched around to find the person. When I found him, we met up and exchanged our backpacks.
It's got everything to do with drugs.
Thank you very much. Now, please, can you wait outside, sir?
I'll go wait outside, Captain. But just let me tell you, he's lying to you.
Go wait outside, please.
I saw him
I'll
myself.
call you
He's
to come
lying.
in. Please
really?
go wait outside now.
All right, sure. He's lying, though. Let's go. He's lying. He's trying to
Go
deceive
outside,
Get
please.
lost! Excuse me, sir. Can you please tell me what's going on here?
We arrested two drug dealers yesterday while they were smuggling drugs with a car belonging to a person named Ardeshir Shamshiri. Does that name sound familiar to you?
I don't know any Ardeshirs, but the guy who took my backpack, his last name was Shamshiri.
It's likely that this Shamshiri is related to the Shamshiri who you exchanged backpacks with. The two guys we arrested claim they found the car, but it all seems a bit suspicious to me.
I reckon it's all that boy's fault. He looked like trouble ever since I first saw him.
Well, have you got his phone number or address?
I haven't got his address, but I've got his number.
That's great. You are going to need to call him and find out his address for me. Just talk to him in a way that he won't know that you're calling from the police. Otherwise, it won't work out.
Sure.
Here, write it down. Officer, bring 2 cups of tea. Put rock candy in my cup.
Hey, why do you keep calling me, man?
Hey, man, what's your problem? I'm not looking to fight with you. I just called to tell you that I found my documents.
Well, good for you. Congratulations. Goodbye now.
No, don't hang up. There's something else as well.
What?
I found a signed blank check in my room today. I thought it might have fallen out of your backpack.
A check? No, it's not mine.
So you mean I should spend it then?
So tell me. Whose signature's on the check?
I don't know. I can't really make it out. Just the first name is Ardeshir.
That's my dad's check. What was it doing in my backpack?
Don't come running for it now. I'm going to spend it.
Listen, pretty boy. Bring the check to me today. I want it right now. You got that?
Not today. I'm not in the mood. Leave it for tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Listen here, if you don't bring me that check, you'll have to deal with me. I need that check. I'll give you an address. You can bring it here.
Got that? Get a pen and paper so you can write it down.
All right, fine. Give me the address.
Cunny Avaran. Cunny Avaran?
Right after the Bugchair intersection on Goldbog Street.
What street?
Richer Complex.
Where?
There is only one doorbell.
Hello?
Listen, I want it here soon, okay?
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Hello, officer. How can I help you?
Do you live in that building?
Yes, sir, I live here.
Do you know if there's a Daniel Shamshiri living here?
Yes, there is. Is there a problem?
I'll let you know in a minute.
Hi, Kamran. How's it going? Come on in.
Let's go upstairs. I need to talk to you.
Why did you go to all that trouble? I would have bought it myself.
Shut up. Let's go upstairs. I need to talk to you.
I know down here isn't as nice as upstairs, but I'll call it done so we can be together.
Come here. Go in.
Hey.
Go in. If I ask you something, will you tell me the truth?
Of course I will, Kamran. When have I ever lied to you? Come on.
Well done. Good for you.
What's up?
What offense are you guilty of, huh?
Offense?
Look, son, keep your cool. Look me in the eyes. Do you know what I really hate?
Yeah, I think I know. You want me to tell you?
Tell me, son, tell me.
I think it's persimmons and eggplants.
Hey, that better be the last time I hear you talk garbage like that. I'll slap you in the face if you repeat what you just said. I hate deception, tricks, and two-faced people. Got it?
Well, everyone hates those things, Kamran. Nothing beats honesty. I don't know what's going on.
Nothing beats honesty, hey?
Yeah.
Shake my hand. Well done.
Okay, fine. Let's shake
All
hands.
right, well, now that you're honest, tell me what your offense is. What problem are you having,
I haven't got a problem, but to be honest, you're a bit of a problem. You won't let me get married till I...
That's not what I'm talking about. Cut the nonsense. I'm talking about the other problem. Do I have to say it? You know that thing?
I don't know, man. I haven't got a problem. You're really making it sound complicated. Get straight to the point. I can't understand what you're saying.
You haven't got any problems? No. Look, we're at the finish line. It's all over. So you'd better confess. The whole building can smell the stench of it. Everyone knows about it.
I'm really sorry. I apologize. I couldn't help it. I'm really sorry about that. Really
Why are
sorry.
you acting all shy with me? You're like the son I never
thank
had.
you.
Didn't you know
Yeah,
that?
I did.
I haven't got a son. You're my only
Definitely,
hope.
for sure.
How long have you been troubled with it?
Well, I don't know exactly, but I think it's been 2 or 3 months.
How many times did you experience it in the past 2 or 3 months?
Well, it wasn't intentional, you know. I think maybe around 3 times a day, at least 2 times a day. Maybe an average of 3 a day, I think.
Why, Daniel? Why? What did he say?
I've been to the doctor. The doctor reckons it's mainly because of the fast food I eat. When I eat sausages and salamis, fluid from the gallbladder runs into my stomach and...
Are you kidding me? I should slap you in the face. No one's ever been able to teach you a lesson, but I'll teach you a lesson you'll never forget. Come here. Come here.
What's
Hang
going
on
on?
a minute. Uh-huh.
Hey.
Here you are, officer. There you go.
Hey there, my fellow countrymen. What's going on? Did the neighbours complain about some party going on here? I can't hear anything.
No, you're the party. These gentlemen came here to take you.
Why are you making such a big racket? I am at your service.
We've come to take you.
Get him! Get him!
But I haven't done anything.
Handcuff him.
But I haven't done anything.
Handcuff him.
What's going on here?
There's been a misunderstanding. Wait for me.
Get in.
Prisons are meant for men.
Get in.
Prisons.
Daddy.
Officer, tie his legs up as well, or you'll run away. He's a sneaky
What's
one,
going on, Dad?
Nothing, just that your fiancé's family turned out to be drug dealers. You'd better pray that we can get our money back from them.
Well, that's impossible, Daddy.
It's impossible.
Tell him to call Siamak Rafayi so my dad can bail me out.
Yeah, take this. Take this. I'm going to go to the police station to see what happens.
Hey, what happened?
It's nothing, man.
You want me to bring you anything?
No, I'll fix it. I'll fix it.
You mean you haven't seen him around there? Are you sure? No, it's nothing, don't worry. Oh, no, come on now. How can you lose a big man like that? All right, okay. Okay, say hi to my cousin for me. I'll see you later then. Goodbye. Goodbye. I'm going to die by the time I find Ardeshir.
You'll have to pay this month's phone bill, Missy.
Fine. Just pray that I can find Ardeshir, and trust me, I'll pay your water, electricity, telephone and cell phone bill.
It's all because of your carelessness. You leave your husband and go gadding off, having fun for 14 whole days, backwards and forwards, up and down. I'd get lost too if I were him.
What do you expect me to do, Mother? I can't stick to him like glue all the time.
A woman should grab her husband with her claws and not let him get out of her clutches.
I can't actually be bothered, Mum. If you give men more attention than they deserve, they'll ride your back and won't come down. So give me a break.
Oh, you're so spoiled and obnoxious.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
Hello. What happened, Sarah?
Nothing. We saw all the people who we thought might have news about Dad, and he hasn't been seen by anyone in the past few days.
Oh, dear God. He's vanished off the face of the earth.
Look how your husband is wasting my time. My day-to-day has gone down the drain.
I'm sorry, my brother. How much money would you have earned today? I'll pay for it.
I must really smell bad today. What do you think I am?
Well, then why do you keep rubbing it in? He's your one and only brother-in-law.
One brother-in-law is more than plenty, thank you.
He's my dad, you know.
This is what I get for hoping.
Come here. I called my cousin. He wasn't there either.
Mum, why didn't you call them? It's embarrassing.
What was I supposed to do? I had to call around to find out where he was.
The phone is ringing off the hook. Isn't anyone going to answer that?
Someone, Mum. Come on, we have to try and brainstorm something.
Hello.
Well, let's see who it is.
Talk properly so I can hear you. Your voice is...
Who is it?
His voice sounds really boorish.
Oh.
What?
He's probably using a cell phone.
I recognize him. Come on through it, Sarah. It's your dad.
Go, it's for you.
What? Hey, you found him.
What? Her dad? Give it to me.
Dad.
Give it to me.
Where are you?
He wants to hear my voice. Hello? Hello? Ardeshir? I missed you so much, sweetheart.
You comfortable there? Do I look like a chair to you?
I'm sorry. I was sitting on you. Sorry. Sorry. Where are you?
You're not yourself.
Where? What are you doing there? Hello, ma'am. Where's my husband?
What's his name?
Ardeshir Shamshiri.
Ardeshir?
Shamshiri.
Shamshiri. Yes, he's here.
What happened to my dad?
He's malnourished.
You're making a mistake, man. My husband eats like a cow.
Look, madam, your husband was imprisoned in a chamber without any food or water.
Oh?
His arms and legs were tied up and he was beaten.
Cool, man.
Hey, Uncle.
Did anything happen to him?
No, but there was a lot of pressure placed on his heart. Some neighborhood patrol officers found him unconscious and brought him in here. You're lucky he didn't have a heart attack.
I've told him 1,000 times to put his legs up in the air. Up in the air when he gets chest pains.
I just told you his arms and legs were tied up. How could he put his legs up?
In the air.
What difference does it make, Ava? Why didn't you call us earlier, ma'am?
He only just regained consciousness. Once he became conscious, he gave us your number and we called you.
Well, where is he now?
Where is he now? Where is he?
Room 207, but you can't go in there.
Sure, thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
You. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Go, go, run.
Ma'am, I just said you can't go in there, ma'am.
Where is he? Oh, no, my sweet darling husband!
Hang on, Ava. Wait, hang on.
What is it?
That's not him.
But she told us he's in room 207.
I know, but he doesn't look like a malnourished patient.
Oh, my goodness.
He's right. Why is he all wrapped up? That's not him. Where is he?
I don't know.
Ava!
Oh, look, Dad's over there.
Oh, Ardeshir.
Hi, Dad.
Are you okay?
Why did you sell the house,
Are you
Dad?
okay?
Didn't you think about the stuff
Be
in my
quiet.
room?
Now's not the time for this kind of talk. To hell with the house. Are you okay?
How are you, Dad?
My heart is hurting.
But why
What's
is he holding
happened?
your chest? What's happened?
Oh, no, he's fallen.
What's happened? Eunice, come over here. Come over here,
what's
Ardeshir.
happening? What are you
Ardeshir,
doing?
what is it?
Get help, get
Someone
help.
help.
No, Ardeshir, what is it? What's wrong?
Come, grab him from the other side
Thank
there.
you,
We
thank
need to get him onto the bed. Be gentle, be gentle.
You're
Don't
breaking
break
his leg.
limbs.
Oh, be careful! You're breaking his leg!
Oopsie. Be
Be
gentle.
careful! Be
Thank you
careful!
very
Be
much.
careful
Not a
with
sack of
him!
rice,
Come on,
you know,
don't you know
come
how
on.
to take care of somebody?
Are you okay, Dad?
Ow,
What
my
do you
leg,
want?
my leg.
Careful, careful.
Wait,
Careful, don't sit on his
Are you
leg.
okay? Are you okay like this? Huh? Show me. He's
gonna fall.
Oh, dear God!
Ow!
Dave,
Oh, I'm dead meat!
Uncle?
Oh, no, go call them! Go call somebody! What's happened?
He's a patient,
Oh, he's
come
gonna
on.
die this time!
Be careful.
Oh, he's gonna die!
Be careful.
Help him.
Slowly,
Careful.
please.
Be careful!
He's hard to carry.
Don't let him fall.
You're all useless. You're all useless. I mean, take this damn thing. Oh,
Calm down, Mother.
Go now.
Thank you very much.
how are you now? Are you okay?
No, no, my heart is beating like the wings
It's
of a
okay. You just
sparrow.
got a bit
I'm so
overexcited.
Yes, it's overexcitement. Where
Oh,
were you
Ardeshir.
guys? Where were you? I was worried. I was waiting.
Oh, Ardeshir, who did this to you, huh? Who was it who
Don't
did this to
remind me,
you?
Ava. Two
Get out.
goddamn thieves. They beat me up first, then they tied me up and threw me in some dungeon. I tried so
Damn
hard
them.
to contact you, to tell you how I was, but
Yes.
I
Oh,
couldn't.
calm down.
I'm sorry, Ava. Please forgive
It's
me.
okay.
Please
It's okay.
forgive
Don't
me.
worry.
You
Don't worry.
must
The
forgive
important
me.
thing is that you're safe now. Why do you keep worrying about us? Give yourself a bit of a break. Get some rest. So tell me what happened, huh?
I don't know. It's such a long story, Ava.
Oh, yes.
Hello.
Hi, how are
you?
How are you?
You feeling better?
He's fine, thank God.
Here you go. Please sign the form and leave the rest up to us. Hopefully, by the grace of God, we'll arrest the whole lot of them soon. Don't you worry.
Hopefully. I just don't get what happened, officer. I mean, what good was he to them? I mean, what exactly did
Why
they
did they
kidnap him
kidnap Dad?
for, huh? Why?
According to the report made by the officer who found your husband,
Yes.
we found out that...
She asked you a question.
He means me.
We found out that the thieves wanted to steal a car and some cash from him.
Oh. For
Yes,
him?
Dad.
For him?
From him.
Yes.
Yes.
They kidnapped him and physically assaulted
Do you
him.
think you'll be able to find them, officer?
Definitely. We'll try our absolute best to get to the bottom of
They
things.
got away.
For you. Don't
Yes.
you
You mean
worry.
for me?
Right.
We'll get to the bottom of
What
things.
difference does it make?
For all of you.
For
Yes,
everyone.
we're all together.
He
We're
mentioned
all
all of
together.
us.
Thank you so much for helping
You
us.
can follow up the case with your local police station. Okay?
all
Sure.
right.
Just me then?
You.
Definitely.
All of you. All of
We
you.
can all do it.
All of you.
It doesn't make
Everyone.
a difference. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming. Thank you. We'll see you later. Sure, what a day.
Hey, Mother. That guy over there had a nose job, didn't he? He's got it pointing up. Am
What,
I
him?
right?
No way.
Yes.
He's had plastic surgery on his whole body. Can't you see that?
The whole thing?
It's obvious.
Plastic surgery?
His whole body.
He's rich, I guess.